In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Canva and quickly find the right design to start creating. If you're opening Canva for the first time, or you simply want a faster way to find what you need, the search feature is one of the easiest tools to use. It helps you skip the guesswork and go straight to the type of design, template, or visual style you're looking for. This is especially useful when you already have a project in mind and want to get started without browsing through lots of categories manually. To begin, open Canva and make sure you're on the home screen. This is the main dashboard where Canva shows you design suggestions, recent projects, and the tools you can use to create something new. Starting from the home screen is important because that's where the main search function is easiest to access. Next, look at the top of the screen and click on the search bar. This is where you can tell Canva exactly what kind of content you want to find. The search bar is designed to work for many different types of projects. So whether you need a social media graphic, a brand asset, or a slideshow, this is the best place to begin. Now type in keywords such as Instagram post, logo, or presentation. These are common examples, and they help Canva narrow down the results based on the kind of design you want to create. As you type, Canva may also show suggestions automatically, which can save you time and help you choose the closest match. For better results, use specific keywords whenever possible. Instead of searching with a broad word, try to be more precise about what you need. Specific searches usually give you more accurate options and help reduce the number of unrelated results. This makes the whole process quicker and a lot less overwhelming, especially if Canva returns many designs. Once you see the results, select a template, photo, or design type to start creating. This is the point where your project begins. Choosing a template can give you a ready-made layout, while selecting a photo or design type can help you build something more customized from the start. Take a moment to pick the option that best matches your goal, because the right starting point can make your editing process much smoother. That's how to use the search feature in Canva to quickly find what you need and start designing with confidence.